Using filters in PubMed mean you can filter or limit your search to a specific criteria that is relevant to your study. For example, you can put time filter in the article for the past 7 years or past 7 days. Or you only want to look at female patients or male subjects or both, that is gender filter, or you want language filters, filters in Chinese or English, or did you only want to look at infant subject, that is for age filters. Comprehensive search using truncation symbol. Truncation is a search technique used to find variations and plurals of a word using common stem or root word. EBSCOhost truncation is represented by an asterisk. If you type the word prevent with an asterisk into the search box, you will find the words prevention, preventative, and preventable. Comprehensive search using wildcard symbols. Wildcard searching allows the substitution of one or more characters within a word to expand a search. EBSCOhost wildcard is represented by question mark. If you type the NE question mark T to find all citations containing need, nest, or next. If you're a health researcher, these are electronic database to consider. One is CINAHL, stands for Cumulative Index to Nursing and Allied Health Literature. It is the largest and most in-depth nursing research database offered through EBSCOhost, dates back in 1984, more than 6 million records, indexing for more than 5,300 journals, 70 full-text journals, searchable cited reference for more than 1,300 journals. PubMed is developed and maintained by the National Center for Biotechnology Information at U.S. National Library of Medicine. It contains more than 30 million citations, an abstract of peer-reviewed biomedical literature. Medline is the largest component of PubMed. Using PubMed record field tags is another way to narrow search results. Enter the search term or tag in search box. For example, to search myocardial infarction as MESH or medical subject headings, type in myocardial infarction bracket MH bracket. Basically, you are asking PubMed for all title and abstract to appear in your search. Here are some helpful tags in PubMed search: AU for author, IP for issue, TA for journal title, LA for language, MAJR for mesh major topic, PD for publication date, TI for title, and DP for year. Another electronic database that a health researcher can use is Health Source Nursing/Academic. It is a full-text database covering nursing and allied health topics, including pediatric nursing, critical care, mental health, nursing management, medical law, and more. There's more than 320 full-text journals, more than 250 peer-reviewed full-text journals, indexing and abstracting from more than 840 journals. Another electronic database is APA PsycInfo, world's largest resource devoted to peer-reviewed literature in behavioral science and mental health, produced by American Psychological Association. weekly updates, nearly 4 million bibliographic journals, indexing more than 2,500 journals, extensive coverage from 1980s and published in 29 languages. Social Work Abstract offers extensive coverage of more than 500 social work and human service journals dating back to 1965, produced by National Association of Social Workers, or NASW. The fourth step of systematic review is selecting studies for inclusion based on predetermined criteria. Start with the title or abstract screening to remove studies that are clearly not related to your topic. Use your inclusion and exclusion criteria to screen the full text of the studies. It is highly recommended that two independent reviewers screen all studies, resolving areas of disagreement by consensus. The fifth step in systematic review is screening sources for relevance and appropriateness. To determine trustworthiness of the material, try the CRAAP test developed by the Merriam Library at California State University. And the last step in systematic review is documentation and literature retrieval. Use a notebook or spreadsheet to track your research strategies and results. EBSCOhost has the capability to save your search strategies and results. Record strategies used, database searches, number of items downloaded from each database, and number of duplications.